Good morning, everyone. This is Instructor Vocoder, and I'm just here to share with you that I will be holding regular drop-in office hours today, which is Tuesday, and every Tuesday moving forward from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So to join me and chat with me and ask any questions that you might have from your course homepage, you're going to click on Instructor Drop-in Office Hours. And then you will see all the days listed when you can drop in. And you can drop in here at any time, but I am specifically in there on Tuesdays from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So you would click on that link, and it's going to have you open up Microsoft Teams. So all you need to do is click the Open Teams. It will launch it right away. And then you join me. So I hope to see you today in the Microsoft Teams, and please let me know if you have any questions.